welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. Also, Happy New Year since it's 2021. Since it's the new year, I wanted to make a 2021 vision board, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to put on there and how I'm going to set it up. And yeah, I'm just going to get right into the video. Okay, so guys, right here I have my bulletin board where I'm going to put my pictures. I have my pictures right here. And my pins. So yeah, I'm just gonna start putting them up. I printed them out from Google. I got printed them out from online. So I have some objectives right here. I'm just gonna start putting them up and putting the pictures on there, and I'm just gonna explain like what each picture means. Not every single picture, but like most of it. So for the first one I just saw right now, it's moving out and buying a house. So basically, by the end of 2021, my goal is to buy a house. It doesn't have to be a huge house, but just a house in general, just for me and my son. I also would like an extra room so I can do my YouTube. Like my son will have his own room, my YouTube room, and my business room be in the same YouTube room because I am starting a business. I'll talk about that in a different video, but I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'll make a video specifically on what type of business I'm gonna be doing, when I'll be launching my business, and how I'm doing it, or at least the process of it also. It does have to do with my channel and what it's about, so that's a hint right there for you guys. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna be putting this up right here, just putting the pictures up there. Oh, I forgot, guys. Right here, Vision Board 2021, and then that's a little cute little planner. 2021 goal, plan, and action. Exactly how my 2021 is gonna go. But I'll do that right now.
Preach, sis.
Preach it.
Period.
I should have did this a lot bigger. It's okay. It's okay. If you are making a vision board, please make your font size a lot bigger than mine. So yeah, right here I just have 2 house pictures. You guys know the gist, moving out, buying a house. Now my next one is going to be Air Force. I know this is a little weird, it's coming out of nowhere. I never wanted to go to the military until kind of now. I just thought it might be best for me. You know, there's benefits, and I wanted to do the Air Force and be reserved just so I can have a better life for my son, and it's another stream of income. You always need different streams of income. There's only one thing that's stopping me, which is my tattoo behind my neck, which I'm getting lasered off. I have my first appointment next week, like in a consultation, and yeah, so like I'm ready to taking the steps on removing it in case I do want to go to Air Force. This is the only picture I have for the Air Force right here. Now the next one is going to be making memories, and I'm just gonna put a bunch of pictures of people having fun, you know, drinking coffee with their friends, making memories. So that's gonna be the next one. That is one of my goals this year, just to spend a lot of time with my friends and have a lot of fun and just enjoy life a little bit more. Now my next one's gonna be business. I'm gonna be putting business right here in the middle because that's the most important part. And I'm also gonna have sewing going together with it because I'm learning how to sew. I wanna learn how to make clothes, like sew clothing and just set it up and stuff. So I'm gonna be putting business and sewing together. I'm just gonna put pictures up and I'll probably explain some of it to you guys. Okay, so this is business and sewing. Like I said, I want to learn how to sew, so I just have some sewing pictures for myself. Have like business plans right here and like goals, work strategy, just things to remember, like to remind myself on how to make a business plan. I also have right here, like it says right here, I enjoy being my own boss. Just that's kind of like a reminder to me that I do want to become my own boss. I don't want to work for someone. That's my goal in life, is not to work for someone. I just don't want to. I just want to become my own boss. So that's why I have that there to remind me. Obviously this is kind of like a hint right here. It says how to start a clothing line business, and that is another hint that yeah, my business is gonna be clothing. I'm not gonna talk more about it, but just saying my goal is to launch in the spring. That's my number one, and also if it's not spring, then summer. Like those are my goals, to make my first collection. And right here I just have like how to sew shorts, just just to remind me of like things that will help me sew. I also have right here like how to sew a button. They're just things just to help me sew also, because this is going to be right here, and this is my sewing machine table, and it's just gonna remind me and stuff. But yeah, the next thing I'm gonna be showing is traveling. So I'm gonna just put pictures of me that I just want to travel to different places, new states, countries, or whatever, anywhere I just want to go traveling. The next one is more of a personal one. It's becoming a better person. I just want to be nicer to others, more understanding, be more patient. That's one thing I need, to be more patient. So that's like one of my goals, is just becoming better. So I'm just gonna be putting quotes under that heading, and yeah. The other one is becoming a better person shouldn't involve change, it should involve growth. And my last one is just, it's like kind of like YouTube goals. So I'm probably just gonna start putting things out, or like just writing little notes down that I want to do for the week, or like just goals I want for my YouTube. All I did really was just print out just YouTube and like the subscribe button sign, or not the subscribe button sign, but like the the play button. But I'm probably just gonna start putting like little things that I see and print them out, just put them on there. But I just haven't printed anything out because I still don't know exactly who I want for my YouTube. So like by June, I would hope to have 1,000 subscribers. Like that's one of my goals. And I just want to become consistent. So that is another goal that I want for my YouTube. So probably just start putting that there. This is my vision board right here. It's all finished, and I'm actually really proud of it, because I already had it all set up for myself, and I actually like how it looks a lot better now that I did it on the camera. So I'm really happy on the way it looks. I'm just gonna put this up right somewhere in my room, probably like right here, where I can look at it and just get inspiration. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe and comment what was your favorite part of the video, or just any goal you have for 2021. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks.
Yay.